Hello everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. This February Patreon Part 2, 2025. We'll be looking at some D&D Warhammer proxies and some figures for your 3D printing needs. If you do like it, please share, like, and subscribe. And sorry I don't have the dog with me right now. It's her bedtime, so we're getting her crate trained as well. Um, so all the stuff that we'll be looking at, well, we have a tie. Yeah, right, tie. Uh, yeah, all the link we'll be looking at will be down below for you guys as well. And let's get started. So we have Epic Miniatures. They do a lot of Dungeons and Dragons style here. We got a lot of what you call it, terrain pieces. Looks like you got some hound dragons, big beetles you can sit on. These might be gnomes or dwarves. I don't know what they're really called, but we have a whole bunch. You may want to pause it and look through it. For like $10, it's a lot of stuff that you get. We looks like we got some tree ants, some flower dryads or fire flower nymphs, some bestiary centaurs. A lot of stuff looks like from the like desert terrain style for it as well. So that's January. Oh, never mind, I'm wrong. Here's February that's coming up. So we got some we got some vampires, zombie dragons, regular, where are they called? Missa dragons. I don't know. I think that's like part of the demon evil thing that corrupts it, I guess. Vampire king. Like I said, you get a lot for $10. Bone, the domination. This used to be in my 3.5 monster manual. It's a lot of stuff you probably find in some older monster manuals. Zombie villagers. And you got I got a lot of zombie villagers. That's actually pretty good too. We need some more ghouls though, like those ghouls wearing armors and stuff. This one is Necro Knight. Um, Katakan Vampire. For it. Let's see. What else we got? We got Elf Lady Vampire. Werewolf Warrior. Royal Vampire Lady. So you're getting a lot of vampire, looks like it. Ghoul Spawn Servant. Catfolk Zombie. Tabaxi Zombie is pretty good. We don't have a lot of those to have. But a variety of different zombies and skeletons would be good. Skeleton heavy gladiator. Death Serpent. And there's another one here. We got, let's see, Noble Eye Tyrant, so Beholder, wearing a tux. Mind Eater Gentleman, so Mindflyer wearing a tux. Cat Burglar Rogue, so Tabaxi Rogue. Dark Unicorn. Why don't you say it's Nightmare for it? High Sorceress. Dragonborn Noble. Now some Bard Adventure Female. Mimic Music Instrument. That's probably be useful. Vagabond Bard. Scholar Wizard. Got a Peacock. Royal Family. And I think that is it. No, Legendary Teddy Knight. Thiefling Noble. Moonstone Dragon. And that'll be it for Epic epic miniatures. Our in studio for this we have Lich King, Butcher, uh, Tauren from the World of Warcraft, Druid from World of Warcraft, and Murloc. And we have our JRPG Volume 3. I don't know where these are from, but you can let me know down in the comments. Then we got the Western RPG Volume 10. So I think these are from Lord of the Rings, the original cartoon for it. I don't know what their champion tiers are for this month, but you may want to go and check it out. Rescale miniatures, also known as Lord of Prince. This is February. So we're getting dragons, like always, and we get a flying ship. This is probably going to be good proxy for Iron Dwarfs for Warhammer. And it looks freaking awesome. I don't know how they're able to support. It has to be some kind of thick support just for the ship to be on this to carry all that weight and just moving it around. Has to be some really good, really thick supports. And we got a Raptor Knight. We can take all the armor off of it as well. Some pretty good ones. I don't want to see too many of them. I want to see something else. You better have something else for me. A lot of different positions of Raptor Knights and Raptors as well. I think they're all Raptor Knights. No, we finally got something. Looks like some kind of an undead giant. It's holding a goblin. Yeah, I think it's an undead giant. That looks kind of cool. Now there's a regular giant. I think these are hill giants. Looks kind of cool looking. On their undead, I think they're just wearing that as just armor. Hey, Angel. Yeah, a lot of giants you can have for yourself. Now we got dwarves. Can never have enough dwarves. I have too many freaking dwarves. Like naked. I don't want like half naked dwarves. I just want armor. That's actually cool with their weapons. If you want to look at more of them, you guys can just check out the link down below. STL miniature. These are actually really good STL files for like terrain pieces. So I don't know what this one is. Looks like a giant, I think. No, it's a troll. That's their version of a troll. And we have, looks like sewer, cleaner, and we got a plague doctor there as well. And we also have, looks like some type of lake terrain with boats and stuff, or river. And we have some kind of crustacean monster as well. So that'll be it for that. Ruben. Trying to find out what is January. I don't think we have anything for February right now. I think they just made a vote for it. Round 2. We're getting Maiden Ice Rose Nikki. And 1 is Maiden Ice Rose Nikki. I think I will find out more about it later on. She usually does off and on a lot of stuff. For February, I don't think Natasha's out yet. Nope. For February, we don't have anything out for February yet. We're still having the polls. I don't think this person released a lot of stuff that's coming out. Check them out, or I might go back and look at it. Anime Girl STL. I don't know if we can look at that. I'm not gonna wait till it loads. Load, goddammit. But anyhow, I think that'll be it for now. Subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord. Thank you guys very much. Have a great day, guys. Bye.